Here we will write a Python program to find largest among three numbers. So first we will open the IDLE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. First we will accept three numbers from the user. So a equal to input, enter first number, then b equal to int, input, enter second number, and in C we will accept third number. Then we will compare these three numbers. So if a greater than b and a greater than c, we will print largest number is a. So print, we will use format f, largest among a, b, c is a. Then we will check if b greater than a and b greater than c, we will print b is largest. So print f for formatting, largest among a, b, c is b. Else we will print largest is c. So print f, largest among a, b, c is c. Then we will save it and we will execute it. It will ask to enter the number. I will give 4, 5, 6. It will print largest among 5, 4, 6 is 6.